Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, ngiliphathele ezinye ezimangalisayo. So guys, Xolani Sabelo took to his social media page to drop a video where he's apologizing to everything that he said or has done to ubani vuyokazi. So guys, like he's mentioning that he was wrong, and he doesn't really blame umama mntwana for everything. He blames himself, and the problem is that he opened up to somebody who thought maybe they could fix their relationship, but hyena, things won't end up like that. But in that linked audio, guys, you could hear what Sabelo was saying. He doesn't want to have kids. No vuyokazi, and even speaking about kuthi vuyokazi ngubop the builder, and even telling baby mama ukuthi he bought clothes for umntwana but didn't tell vuyokazi because he wanted to see ukuthi vuyokazi what kind of a woman is she and how much vuyokazi uthanda imali. Like he spoke of many things, guys. And Jigu guy comes up with an apology, which people say like it's not even showing good okay or sorry. Okay, let me just read a few comments down the comment section. One says he's only apologizing because it became public. And the other one went on to saying that you can just tell that his apology is not genuine. He's just apologizing for the sake of apologizing because of the backlashes against him. Otherwise, he doesn't regret anything. And the other one went on to saying that what does that mean? I was wrong. He knew very well what he was saying. Le idiot. Like guys, good that you could like you could tell that guy. Like I don't know, like my comment baby mama, even the baby mama at the back was just laughing, making fun of vuyokazi, and then the apology is just something else. And he even said he doesn't care if vuyokazi uyayibona. Like he spoke of a statement as a relation of vuyokazi and the fact that he didn't want to have kids no vuyokazi because of vuyokazi uthanda imali. Like guys, if you didn't hear that audio, please, there's a video that I just uploaded, linked audio. Please go there, guys, watch it, and you will hear all the horrible things that guys said about vuyokazi. Another one by the name of Nogukanya says, you are the up and downs and struggle of that relationship. You are part of the I have forgiven myself crew. Those that apologize only they have been exposed and are trying to sanitize their image. I hope you meet yourself in every person you encounter. So anyway, guys, please do comment below and please do subscribe if you haven't done so.
I admit I was wrong. I admit ukuthi ngibhedile. Each and every relationship iyaba nama mistakes and iyaba nama challenges. Whatever that I said about uvuyo was not true, and ngangekho right that time, and I ended up ngikhuluma with uma wengane. So yeah, I'm really sorry to uvuyo nefamily yakhe ngokumhlambalaza. Same as everyone la uyaba nama mistakes akhe, uyaba nama challenges wakhe, and akaziwa umhlaba wonke. And the person who exposed me is the person naye she was hoping that mina naye one day we're gonna be fine because sinomntwana naye. We also had our own challenges, and now she was hoping that sizoba right and sibe right empilweni. Now akwenzekanga ngaleyo ndlela, so she tried by all means. Ke nami I was stupid, ngakhuluma naye wenza ngale ndlela enze ngayo. So what I wanted to say basically ukuthi I'm sorry, I'm really sorry kuyena nabalandeli bakhe nefamily yakhe, and also I'm sorry to ifamily yami ngokwenza yonke lento. And ilokho nje. So angimblame uma wengane, ngiyiblame mina ngokwenza yonke lento le. Imina engiyifake kule rubbish yonke engiyifake kuyona. Yeah. So ningasho noma yini enifuna ukuyisho, sengi-acceptile. I had to accept whatever eqhamukayo and deal with it ngendlela yami engizodila ngayo nayo. And to ama-bloggers bathathe information from people, just know that one day you'll share something which is not true, and abantu who are weak, they'll end up taking further steps. So yeah, I do admit, and ngiyasola futhi, ngiyasola. Yeah, that's it. Nisale kahle. I'm going to share with timeline yami. You can comment, ngizoyivula i-comment section. Thanks.